Today, I'm doing a virtual showing of this fabulous mountain home that perfectly exudes cozy country charm. This custom-made home, built on a large private lot and located in the exclusive Smiley Park Country Club neighborhood of Running Springs, offers awe-inspiring view of the lush forest, the distant mountains, and the city down below. And we're getting after it right now. If you are new to this channel and would like to know everything about living in Running Springs, buying or selling your home in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you will be the first to know about the current market in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities. My name is Alma Borsik with the Living in Lake Arrowhead, California team. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to buy or sell their home in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're making your move in 9 days or 90 days, just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We're here ready to help the buying and selling of your home in Running Springs and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities smooth and stress-free. This home is listed for $644,000. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The living space is 2,026 square feet, which gives us a price of $317 per square foot. The lot size is 17,700 square feet, and it was built in 2008. Enter this stunning home and be impressed by the wide open floor plan. The living room features a soaring 2-story high open beamed ceilings and a wall with 3 rows of windows overlooking the lush forests and gorgeous city views. At the corner is an impressive wood-burning stove with a gray stonework surround. The open concept kitchen has knotty hickory cabinets, double ovens, and a cooktop range, and a large walk-in pantry. Located in the main floor is one of the bedrooms, a large guest bathroom with a relaxing clawfoot tub, and the laundry room. The loft-style master suite overlooks the main living room, and from the large windows, the breathtaking views as well. Also located on the second floor is an additional bedroom currently used as an office. The property includes a large detached 2-car garage, and this 2-car detached garage has room for a workshop or a man cave. The Smiley Park Country Club HOA amenities include water, snow plowing, as well as access to the community clubhouse and pool. So this is our home in our virtual showing in the Smiley Park Country Club neighborhood. How do you like this impressive but very cozy country mountain home? If you are interested in this home or any other listing in Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is in the description below, and be sure to check my other videos in which I feature other neighborhoods and homes in the Running Springs, Lake Arrowhead, and San Bernardino mountain communities. And subscribe to my channel and tap the bell for notifications so you will be alerted when I post a new video, and I post new videos weekly. Are you ready to join me on a virtual showing of this very cozy country mountain home? Let's go and enjoy the showing.